Maths lesson number 6, footprints. So name of the lesson is footprints. Bholu and the footprints. Now here is a small story in this lesson. We are going to read it. Bholu and the footprints. One day, some baby animals were playing on a muddy road in a jungle. One day, what happened one day? One day, all the animals, baby animals, some baby animals were playing on a muddy road. Do you know muddy road? When rain comes or water falls, water mixes in the soil, that is called muddy road. Chikhal is there. So a muddy road in a jungle. All of a sudden, an elephant shouted. So suddenly what happened? Elephant started to shout. Run, run, go to your homes. Bholu is coming to shoot with his camera. So all of a sudden, this baby elephant started to shout and he said, run, run, go to your houses because Bholu is going to come and Bholu is going to shoot us with his camera. So all the baby animals ran away. So when elephant said that Bholu is going to shoot with camera, that time all the baby animals ran away. When Bholu came with his camera, he saw. All he saw was the footprints of these animals. So here is the muddy road and here baby animals were playing. Here you have seen that baby animals were playing. So when elephant said to all baby animals to go their homes, so all the animals ran away. And when Bholu came here with his camera, he saw footprints of these animals. Footprints means these are the footprints of the animals. So can you match the animals with their footprints? Now here we are going to match baby animals with their footprints. So now here you can see these big paws. These are the footprints. These big paws. These are the footprints of elephant. Yes. These are the footprints of this baby tiger. These are the footprints of hen. And these are the footprints of frog. Yes. So now we have matched the footprints with their animals. Now see the next page. Draw the footprints of a dog in this box. Here you have to see the footprints of dogs and you have to draw here the footprints of dogs. Yourself you will draw it. Next, make the footprints of your friend on the floor. Now you don't have friend at home, so you can make a footprint of your brother or sister. Is it smaller than yours? You will make your also footprint like this. You will make the footprint of your also and your brother or sister also, and then you will compare it whose is bigger or whose is smaller. Trace and guess. Ron is tracing a leaf. At home also. Ron is tracing a leaf. You also collect a few things like leaves, pebbles, a stick, a bangle, bindi. Trace is here. So at home also you collect all these things. You collect different kinds of leaves, different shapes of pebbles, different types of bindis, different types of bangles, different types of sticks, and trace them in your notebook. Here you will not get enough place, so you will trace them in your notebook. Here I will show you how to trace a bangle. So just keep it like this and you can take outside circle or inner circle and you can trace. In this way you are going to trace the things. Now see the next. different traces of the same bowl. Ruhi made two different traces of the same bowl. See here, she has taken a bowl. Here also the same bowl is here, but here while taking here this tracing here, she has kept this bowl like this, and while tracing here, she has kept this bowl in this way. So it is bigger circle, it is smaller. So by using the same bowl, she has made two different types of traces. How did Rooney keep the bowl to get two different traces from it? So look for other things like Rui's bowl which can give many different traces. For example, you can take a glass. At home you take a glass. First you keep this glass like this and take make a trace, and afterwards keep the glass in this way and take the trace. So like this, take different things and make different traces in your notebook. Do at home. On a newspaper, trace the hands of different people. On a newspaper, take the trace of hands of different people in your family. Ask your friends to guess which trace is of your hand, your mother's, and your father's, etc. In this way, by keeping like this hand on the newspaper, you can take the trace of your family member, and then you can tell your brother or sister to guess whose hands trace it is. In this way, take the trace. So you do it at home. Now see the next page. Read and draw. Tamanna and her mother are sitting on chairs. Tamanna is reading a storybook. Her mother is reading a newspaper. Tamanna and her mother are sitting on the opposite sides of a table. Draw the missing things in the picture. So first, Tamanna and her mother are sitting on chairs. First, what is told? Tamanna and her mother are sitting on chairs. So, backside of them, we have to draw a chair. So they are sitting on the chair. This girl, she is also sitting on the chair. Okay, they are sitting on the chair. Next, Tamanna is reading a storybook. Here there will be book in Tamanna's hand, and here will be newspaper in her mother's hand. Here newspaper, here is book. Third one is her mother is reading a newspaper. Third one is also homework. Tamanna and her mother are sitting on opposite sides of the table. So between them, between Tamanna and her mother, there will be a table. There will be a table. Yes, there will be a table. Next, draw the missing things in the picture. So in this way we have drawn the missing things in the picture. Now see the next page. More fun with tracing. Collect some things. Collect some things such as a potato, a bottle cap, a matchbox cover, a sharpener, an eraser, a spoon, a bus ticket, a coin, a straw. You can also bring other things. So collect these things and make their traces in your notebook. Next is trace each of these. Ask your friends to guess and take these things. You can trace here also, you can trace in your notebook also, and ask your partner, ask your brother or sister to guess which things trace it is. For example, you have taken potato and you have made the trace of potato. You can ask your can ask your colleagues or friends which thing stress it is. So they will, by saying that, they will guess it. Now see the next page. Look at the shape. Look at the shapes of each trace. Of each trace you have made. See if it looks like any of the shapes given here. Write the name of the thing below the shape. So this is your homework. Look at these shapes. This is your homework. Look at the shapes of each trace. For example, in circle shape, which things you get in circle shape? So bangle, cap, bowl. These things you get in this shape. Write the names of these things. For example, in square shape or rectangular shape, you can get eraser, sharpener, compass, notebook. In this way, write the names. In triangular shape, you can get samosa, you can get earrings. In oval shape, you get eggs. Like this, you have to write the names of the things in their proper column. Now see the next page. Tarani's shapes. Tarani's shapes. Look, Tarani made a picture using different shapes. She has made the picture by using different shapes. For example, here she has used triangles, circles, triangles, squares. In this way, by using different shapes, she has made the picture. Look at Tarani's picture and tell. Look at Tarani's picture and tell. How many triangles are there? Just count and write the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So how many triangles are there? 30. Like this, count yourself and write the exact number of triangles, squares, rectangles and circles here. Now see the next page. Now you make your own picture using different shapes like by using triangle, square, rectangle and circle. By using them you make a picture here. Next is make a drawing using only rectangles. By using only rectangles you make a picture here. Now see the next page. Dressing up Bisania. Bisania wants to dress up for a dance. Use different shapes in the box and draw jewelry on her. So by using different shapes, you have to draw jewelry on her. For example, by using circles, you can make a jewelry for her. Here you can give a, by using like this different shape. By using different shapes, you have to make jewelry for Bisani. Shapes and faces. Draw glasses of rectangle shapes on the first face. Which is the first face? This is the first face. We have to draw rectangular glasses on her face. Now is it rectangle? Yes, it is rectangle. So, yes. Next, draw a moustache of triangle shape on the second face. Triangle. Two triangles. These are the moustache. Third one, draw a circle mouth on the third face. On the third face, we have to draw a mouth by using circle. D number D, draw a square face in the last picture. In this way, complete lesson number 6, name footprints.